Good morning, children. Welcome to my science class. Today I am going to teach you about mnemonics. Mnemonics means easy way to remember the difficult topics. So in science there are many difficult topics and it is very difficult for you people to remember. So you have to make some short forms and you can remember those. So that is called as mnemonics. Let's begin with electricity chapter. So in electricity chapter they will be asking you about the ammeter and voltmeter. There will be a sure question 1 mark for mention whether how do you connect the ammeter and voltmeter in a circuit. So you have to write it ammeter will always be in series and voltmeter will always be in parallel. To remember that the mnemonic is ASVP. ASVP ammeter in series, voltmeter in parallel. Similarly, there will be a question on Ohm's law also. So, how to remember Ohm's law equation? VIR, VIR. So, using that, you can derive the expression for current and resistance as well. V is equal to I into R, I is equal to V by R, and R is equal to V by I. Another important chapter in physics is light reflection and refraction. So in this chapter, many students will be facing difficulties in remembering the ray diagram. So there will be a sure question for 3 marks for ray diagram. So you have to remember the nature, size and position of the image. So if you know the position of the object, then it is easy to remember the nature and size of the image. So you have to remember the position of the object in an order, that is at infinity, beyond C, at C, between C and F, at F, between P and F. So the first two will be RID, RID, the third one will be RIS, the fourth and fifth will be RIM, RIM, and the sixth one will be VEM. R means real, I means inverted, D means diminished. Similarly, in RIS, R means real, I means inverted, S means same size as that of the object. Again, RIM, real, inverted, magnified or enlarged. Similarly, VEM, virtual, erect and magnified. So if you know this, you can easily remember the position and nature of the. I repeat again, first two are RID, RID, the third one is RIS, fourth and fifth will be RIM, RIM, and the last one will be VEM. Real inverted diminished, real inverted same size as that of the object, real inverted magnified or enlarged, virtual erect and magnified or enlarged. Similarly with the convex lens also, you have to remember the position of the object at infinity, beyond 2f1, at 2f1, between f1 and 2f1, at f1, between f1 and optic center O. So the mnemonics will be, first two will be RID, RID, the third one will be RIS, fourth and fifth will be RIM, RIM, and the last one will be VEM. So this is how you remember the nature and size of the image for convex lens and concave mirror. Next, coming to the chemistry part, metals and non-metals. So in this chapter you have to remember the reactivity series. So for many people it is difficult to remember the order of that reactivity series. So there is a simple mnemonic to remember that. That is PSC, Mezzini, TL hardly could make solid gold perfectly. So if you remember this mnemonic, you can write the order in the decreasing order of the reactivity series. That is P for potassium, S for sodium, C for calcium, M for magnesium, A for aluminium, C for carbon. Carbon, it is not there in your textbook, but it comes in this order. Z for zinc, I for iron, Ni for nickel, T for tin, L for lead, H for hydrogen, Cu for copper, M for mercury, S for silver, G for gold, P for platinum. If you remember this mnemonics, then it is easy for you to remember the reactivity series and 2 marks will be in your pocket. So I repeat again the mnemonics: PSC, Mezzini, TL hardly could make solid gold perfectly. Another important thing to remember in metals and non-metals is the reactions. MASH. MASH means metal plus acid gives rise to salt and hydrogen. So same thing with the base also. Metal plus base gives rise to salt and hydrogen. So you can easily remember MASH. Metal acid gives salt and hydrogen. Similarly, neutralization reaction, ABS, ABSH, acid plus base gives rise to salt and H2O, that is water. Next chapter in chemistry is periodic classification of elements. So here you have to remember the first 20 elements in the periodic table. So to remember that, there is a simple mnemonic, that is He, Liebe, Becknoff, Nina, Meg, Alcy, Pascal, Arca. H for hydrogen, He for helium, Li for lithium, Be for beryllium, B for boron, C for carbon, N for nitrogen, O for oxygen, F for fluorine, Ne for neon, Na for sodium, Mg for magnesium, Al for aluminium, Si for silicon, P for phosphorus, S for sulfur, Cl for chlorine, Ar for argon, K for potassium, Ca for calcium. So these are the first 20 elements in your modern day periodic table. So the mnemonic is He, Liebe, Becknoff, Nina, Meg, Alcy, Pascal and Arca. Next, coming to the biology part, human brain. In this chapter, they'll be asking you the functions of the human brain. Like they'll be asking you the functions of the hypothalamus or functions of the pons. So easy way to remember the function of hypothalamus is WAST. W-A-S-T. W for water balance, A for appetite, S for sleep, T for temperature balance. So the function of hypothalamus is WAST. W for water balance, A for appetite, S for sleep, T for temperature balance. Similarly, the functions of pons is MRF. M for mastication ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಹಾರ ಜಗಿಯುವಿಕೆ. R for respiration, F for facial expression. So functions of pons is MRF, mastication, respiration and facial expression. So similarly, functions of hypothalamus is WAST, water balance, appetite, sleep and temperature balance. ಅದೇ ತರ functions of pons is MRF, mastication, respiration, facial expression. Another important chapter in biology is human eye and the colorful world. So ಈ chapter ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ which lens will you use to correct the myopia disease ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೈಕೇವ್, ಹೈಪೆಕ್ಸ್, ಮಿಯೋಪಿಯಾ ಕಾನ್ಕೇವ್ ಲೆನ್ಸ್, ಹೈಪರ್ಮೆಟ್ರೋಪಿಯಾ ಕಾನ್ವೆಕ್ಸ್ ಲೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನ್ಯೂಮೋನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಮೈಕೇವ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಿಯೋಪಿಯಾಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಕೇವ್ ಲೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಹೈಪೆಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೈಪರ್ಮೆಟ್ರೋಪಿಯಾಗೆ ಕಾನ್ವೆಕ್ಸ್ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ನ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So it is very simple: mycave, myopia, concave lens, hypex, hypermetropia, convex lens. ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ನಿಮೋನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ನಿಮೋನಿಕ್ಸ್ನ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Until then, keep practicing these mnemonics. Thank you, children.